This is a general overview of what you can expect to find in the printer's interface. Some content may be repeated in other videos. This is the home page of the printer. You'll see that there's a column here on the left and it's visible on every other page on the printer to give you some basic functionality. You can click the Bot Factory logo at the top to come back to the home page at any time. There's a power menu here that lets you shut down or reboot the printer. That is the preferred way to shut down and reboot the printer. The physical power button on the printer is for an emergency such as when you need the printer to stop immediately. If you press the physical button on the printer, you may cause some issues in terms of the shutdown process, so try to use the shutdown and reboot buttons whenever you can. There's also a home position button for whenever you want to re-zero the printer and have it clear its positioning. This clear process button is for if you're in the middle of a print and want to start a new print. All of these different sections can be expanded or hidden. Also, the temperature of the heat bed is always shown to give you an indication of if the surface of the printer is hot. Right now we see that it's being maintained at a little warmer than room temperature. There's a section here for head status. You can attach any head to the printer and it'll tell you the current head that's attached and any information that comes with that head. The pick and place head really doesn't have any interesting information, but the paste head gives us status information. We have a cartridge that's basically full, and as you're operating the paste head, the pressure reading that it's measuring will change. When you remove the head, it won't list anything at all. Also, if you want to see some other features of the interface, you can click this arrow and you'll get a compressed version of the sidebar, and you can hover over any section to see all of the features again. If you want to see the temperature while it's compressed, there's a summary. You can also see the display if you want to see what head is there, and there's a small indication for the current head that's attached. If you need to know the software version, you can find it in this info section in the bottom left corner. It tells you the software version, the serial number of your printer, and the hostname of your printer. On a network, you can use that hostname to connect to the printer, so it's actually quite handy. Support. This is just a link that goes straight to our website support page. If you need help, you can reach out to us there, and we'll be happy to assist you. Utilities and tuning. This has a menu that lets you calibrate the important parts of the printer. Each of these should have their own more in-depth tutorial within the directions, but in general, you'll need to check and make sure that things are calibrated. If something doesn't seem to be working correctly, check and see if there's a selection on the calibration menu that is related to the issues that you're having. The Start New Print button allows you to start uploading files so you can prepare and run your print. The Admin button is for configuring things related to your printer, from how it connects to the internet to running software updates.